Citizens, I like that last week game una play Southampton. Now the kind boy I want make una dey play for me. Sterling,
Sir?
you dey on point. You and Silva, make una no lose una form before Man U dem come play us game for you on Sunday o.
Okay, sir.
As Man U dey come here on Sunday, make you no pity them. I wan make you spare Man U for them for that game. No darling. If you dull, you go chop bench. Aguero,
Sir?
wetin you dey do? I dey talk, you dey sleep.
No, sir.
Oya, wetin I talk last?
You talk say we go spare Man U.
You see your life? Oya, spare Man U for us.
Man U. Emu. U. Aro. Kyo. C. I. O. Eno. P. J. L. S. E. H. Z. B. Bom.
Hey!
Who be that?
Na me club.
Wetin Sari dey do here?
Mario, abeg no vex. I say make me and Sari come help ginger you and your boys, so that una go get enough morale to take win City on Sunday.
Wetin you mean?
You know see say Guardiola boys no dey take eye see net. Dem fit spare Man U for una for that match or.
You don start again, abi?
Na true talk na. You know dey hear 5-0, 6-0, 6-1 for their last games.
But I feel say this una comeback technique go work for una to take collect draw soup for their hand or even win themselves.
If una no ready for that match, I fit even send boys to go scatter their page so that they go postpone the match.
So una want make I win, so that City no go extend their lead for league table, abi? But if na Watford I dey play, una go want make I lose, so that una go dey laugh me na.
No be like that nah.
Abeg carry una dirty leg comot for my domot.
We come to help you now. You dey do shakara like say you no wan win game again.
I no need una help. Nonsense.